So good day, I am Mark Angelo Galvez from Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering Section 1E. And for our topic for today is all about impulse. So first, let us know what impulse is. So the time of contact between the two bodies is very short, and during the short time, the force between the bodies is very large. So this collision event is called impulse. So we have formula of I equals F delta T. Impulse is a vector quantity with the same direction as the constant force acting on an object. So in SI unit, kilogram meter per second. So in impulse, we have impulse momentum theory. So the formula of impulse momentum theory is F equals delta P over delta T, or I equals delta P, or F is equal to delta T equals mv2 minus mv1. So now let's move for the example number 1. In example number 1, a 990 kilogram vehicle strikes a fence at 18 meter per second and comes to a stop in 1 second. So the problem is, what average force acted on the vehicle? So in this problem, ang initial velocity natin is given. So we have initial velocity equals 18 meter per second. So ang hinahanap natin is final velocity, which is 0. Then, using the impulse momentum theorem, we have now I equals delta P, or simply expand natin yung equation. So we have now Ft equals sa M. Isang object lang ang kino-consider natin, so isang mass lang ang gagamitin natin. Pwede na natin siya i-factor out. So Ft equals mass multiplied by final velocity minus initial velocity. So force ang hinahanap natin, divide natin siya both side by time. So divide natin sa time, cancel na natin ngayon yung time. So we have now F equals mass multiplied by final velocity minus initial velocity all over time. So substitute natin yung given, 990 kilogram yung value ng mass, and 0.18 meter per second yung initial velocity all over sa 1 second. So our answer is negative 17,820 Newton. This is the answer for example number 1. Negative sign means that the force which acted to stop the car in the opposite direction. So it is the initial velocity.